Right now, a lead is messaging a business just like yours, and whoever replies first usually wins. 78% of people buy from the first business that actually gets back to them. But the trouble is, most businesses take hours to reply. Some take days. So by the time you see their inquiry, they've already booked with your competitor. This is how you set up an AI chatbot that answers every lead in under 2 seconds, day or night, across text, Instagram, Facebook, and web chat. And it books the appointments for you. Hey, I'm Sen from Startup Wise. Let's get into it. Most businesses think they lose leads because the price is too high or the offer just isn't good enough. But that's almost never the case. You lose leads for one reason. You're just too slow. Picture this. It's 10 at night, someone grabs their phone and messages 3 businesses for a quote. Yours is one of them. But you're asleep, and then you see it at 8 the next morning, and then you reply. But it's way too late. They already booked the business that answered 2 minutes after they hit send 8 hours ago. Now, speed isn't just a nice to have, it's literally the cheapest edge you've got. You don't need better ads or a bigger team, you just need to be first. There's actually a way to reply to every lead in under 2 seconds, day or night, without hiring a single person. It's built into GoHighLevel and it's called Conversation AI. It works across SMS, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and even web chat, all in one place. It also qualifies leads and books appointments for you automatically straight into your calendar. You just train it on your own knowledge base about your business, your services, your prices, the questions people always ask. But the catch is, a tool this good only works if you set it up right, and most people get 2 settings wrong that quietly kill the whole setup. So let me build one together properly from scratch. Alright, so let's actually build this. We're going to go from nothing to a live chatbot that books appointments in literally minutes. Inside GoHighLevel, you want to go to AI Agents, then Conversation AI tab, and create a new bot and select Appointment Booking. You then want to give it a name and then select the bot status and communication channel. Now, the knowledge base is a step that a lot of people skip, but it's honestly one of the most important ones that you need. Because within this, you want to add all of your business info, your services and prices, basically the questions that customers always like to ask and a new team member will need to know about. The more info you give, the more the chatbot will sound authentic and just like you. What I like to do is create my own knowledge base, save it to my desktop, and then upload it directly into this section. Then once you finish uploading, you want to set the chatbot's goal to appointment booking and connect to calendar. Now, this is actually the second setting that's incredibly important because a lot of people miss this. You don't want to skip the calendar. Because if you do, your chatbots will just talk all day, but never actually book any customers in. You can also enable the conversation summary to keep track of all the calls. And now you're ready, you want to turn on the channels. I've turned on text, web chat, Instagram, Facebook, just whichever ones your leads actually use. And then flip the bot to active, and that's it. It's live. Now, whilst you set this up, just remember what it's replacing. Every lead you used to lose at midnight and every sorry we aren't in that your customers hear, that now stops with this tool. And let me show you exactly how. Let's test it. I'm going to just send a quick text right now. I'm going to sound like a customer checking in. And if you literally wait and watch the reply, as you can see, it literally replies in seconds. It answers multiple questions I'm asking, and it tells me which days it's available, and even asking me if I want to book in. I'm going to accept, and then now it's booked me straight into the calendar without a team member having to do all the manual work. And that's the whole thing. While your competitors are still replying to leads tomorrow morning, you just built a tool that replies in literal seconds. The only thing left is to switch it on, and this week there's a whole reason to do so. GoHighLevel is running their Summer of AI promo right now, where you get Conversation AI free for 30 days, as long as you haven't used it in the last 90 days. You also get 5 other AI tools free all of summer, and they're Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI, all amazing tools. And through June 28th only, you get 50% off your first 3 months. After the 28th, that 50% is gone. So make sure to act fast. After the trial, plan starts at $50 a month for the growth plan or $97 for unlimited. The link's in the description and pinned in the comments. Now, we do use affiliate links, and it's how we keep making free videos like this for you at no extra cost. So if you do use them, thanks so much. I'm Sen from Startup Wise. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.